guys, today we are meeting up with our buddy and I think we're gonna go target some more bass. Oh, got one. Come on, stay down. Come on, don't. Come on. Oh, I lost him. There he went.
Still counts.
Yeah, oh, we'll count it.
No, it doesn't count.
Believe it or not, before this lake was here, there wasn't water.
It was land?
Yep. That's not important facts, but before there was water here, there wasn't. I would be trying to catch fish right now, but you haven't fished in a while, so
Yeah, no, I appreciate it.
I don't want to take it, like all of them. Got one. Come on, there we go. Come on. Stay in. All right. Yep. All right, dude. It's a decent one. What are we thinking? Another 16-incher probably? Kind of curious. Yeah, just shy of 18. Chill out. Dude. I wanted just curious. Yeah, I do have an open pack somewhere. There you go, buddy. Go on. Believe it or not, under the sand on most golf courses is a pond. So you just once you get past the sand, there's a pond there and there's fish in them. It's mainly every sand pit at every golf course has a pond under it because sand's lighter than water, so it floats. That's why the sand's always changing. It looks different.
Yeah, because it's built from water.
Yeah, it's not from people walking on it and stuff or balls hitting it. That's a cliche. It's actually just because it's always kind of moving because there's water underneath it. Got one. There we go. Why is he fighting so hard? I hooked him in his side. No, I didn't. I did. Oh no, it went through his mouth. Yeah, say. Come on. Oh, gotta pry that open. Yeah, I thought I hooked him in his belly like we were talking about. Oh, that was a weird hook though, right there in that little strong part. All right, I'll take another fish though. That's what I asked for. Now I'm like, well, we gotta get one more. Just one more. Oh, you're a pretty little dude. Got one. A big chunker. I think I need the pliers. No, I don't. All right, that hook's out. Let's compare sizes. That way we know we're actual men. Yours is only bigger because it's probably like
just 8.
That's what it is. Have-
Yeah, he hadn't pooped yet.
Yeah, he just hasn't pooped. All right, buddy. All I want is to catch another fish. That's just what I say every time I catch a fish. Dude, you can't. You're giving up. You can't give up. You're being a quitter. All I want is to catch another fish. That's just what I say every time I catch a fish.